Righty, hi all. This is another new project starting out. You might be able to guess what it is, but it's something to do with the seat. Anyway, as they say, the first cut's the deepest. So morning tea and then first cut. First cut, here we go. Get this mill scale off and then we'll be into the pickle bath. Into the pickling bath for an overnight stay.
You want a cup of tea?
Yep. This is the boring bit. Probably the rest of it is too. Guess a lot of you figured out where that's going by now. Got it, yep. So that's the seat on with my newfangled rear. Alrighty, just got to do a final adjustment up front to snug that nylock up a little bit. So you lose the up and down shaking. And the wind behind me, just to do a straight this way. There we go. So, that bit there, which you engage to hold the front down. Now everyone remember this little piece. Well, the bit that I just did is for the other end. So now both ends are easily removable. Do a final clean up before it gets a little bath with some acetone, and then I can paint it. Could always paint it blue. Poor old man, he's a man cave talking to himself, or a camera. Yeah, you one-eyed beastie. That'll do for now. It's a bit smoke fogged in here. That'll do for now till we get another coat on tomorrow, and maybe another, also two coats on tomorrow, if I've got enough paint left. Ciao for now.